Hello everyone, welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome back if you are a returning viewer. Today, I thought we were going to take a look at some of the items that CountyComm sells. This is the Ultem collection, and if you don't know what Ultem is, stay tuned, let's figure it out. Let's jump right into it. So, Ultem is kind of a new and groovy thing that they've got. It's really hot right now. Up until a few months ago, I had no idea what Ultem is. So what exactly is Ultem, you ask? Well, in a nutshell, Ultem is a high-performance plastic known for its incredible strength, heat, resistance, and chemical resilience. It's kind of like a superhero of the plastic world, if you will. Imagine a material that can handle scorching temperatures, withstand extremely harsh chemicals, and stay strong under pressure. That's Ultem. That's what this is. Now, technically, Ultem is a brand name for a type of plastic called polyetheramide, or PEI. It belongs to a family of thermoplastic, which means it can be melted and reshaped, unlike thermosets that harden permanently. So, if you have one plastic and you make something out of it and you reheat it, it's junk. It's just going to turn into a blob. This makes Ultem incredibly versatile for manufacturing. All of these EDC items, once again, are on the CountyComm website. Ultem sometimes is used in the production of circuit boards, believe it or not, eyeglasses that you wear, food preparation, and sterilization equipment for like medical and stuff like that, and perhaps most notably actually aircraft parts, believe it or not. So Ultem is known for its strength and durability. Some of the items we have here, this is one that I've been using for almost every day. If I find something that needs a screw tightened on my knife or anything I can use this for, I do. This is the Ultem Orbital Precision Screwdriver Kit. Orbital because back here, this is your orbital part. It comes with, let's see here if we can crack this open. Comes with 10 bits. These are all D2 steel, super hard. They're heat treated, and they've got pretty much every bit you're going to need, all the way down from a little bitty star bit all the way up to a, let's see, to a PH1S2 Phillips bit. It's got some hex bits, flatheads. It's got everything you need. So that's one of them. Like I said, if I can find something to use on this, I'm like, oh, I'll tighten it. Don't worry. I've got it. Of course, dice. CountyComm makes dice. They've got copper. They've got brass. They've got titanium. Now, they have Ultem. Super, super light. Super awesome. Love them. This is the Ultem Quad Pass Pico capsule. This is the extra large. You can fit medications in here. You can fit whatever your heart desires to fit inside of this. You can put inside of that. They have the same thing, only this one's a little small one. This is the Pico Pass Small. And on all of these, they do have O-rings. See if we can show it in there. They do have O-rings, so it does make them water resistant. Super, super cool. I love, love, love Ultem. It is my new go-to thing. Here's another Ultum-VUE EDC capsule. It's a little bit larger than the other ones here. And again, you can see it has the O-ring on here, so it is watertight. Again, put anything in here. Medication. You could roll up cash and stash some cash in here, believe it or not. You could do it really... It's limitless. What were they used for? Why did CountyComm make them? Well, CountyComm is known for making things for the government, and they don't really tell us. It's kind of a hush-hush thing, but what they might have been for the government, who knows? What we use them for now? Again, limitless. This is the Ultem slide box. Whoop. I'm losing stuff here. Hang on, bear with me. All right. This is the Ultem slide box with a Topo design. There we go, on the top here. It is double detent, which means it goes halfway and locks with the ball bearing. Let's see, there it is. And if you open it all the way up, it'll lock again. But this is the slide box. Put anything you want in here. Anything. Halfway slide, full. And it locks super tight, super cool. These are lanyard bead cord locks. They do come in a pair. So if you have a lanyard and you want to tighten it up or loosen it, whatever you want to do, I probably should have brought some paracord, but you get the gist. Put this on a paracord, pull it, and that's what locks it. Like I said, it does come in a pair of two. Get these up there for you guys. What else we got? We have the Ultem QD quick release keychain coupler. Now they make this in brass, copper, and titanium as well. But obviously this one is the Ultem. You put it on your key ring, one key ring here, one key ring here, and it's a quick release, so you don't have to take the key on and off. You know, if it's on a padlock or a vehicle, you know, that you share back and forth with somebody, you don't have to take it off the key ring over and over. Just use your quick release. Awesome. Now, in my opinion, let's see, let's finish it up real quick. This is the Pengo, what do they call this one? The Pengo Ultem Pen by Meritac. It is super, super small, awesome EDC item. It is not even as big as my finger. Let's see here. There we go. It's got a little hole here. Put it on a keychain, put it on a necklace, whatever. So this is your Pengo Ultem. Now, what, in my personal opinion, I think is the star of the show in the Ultem. I love this pen. This is an awesome embassy pen with a titanium clip. They are limited edition. Each one, they have 500 of them. Each one has its own serial number, as you see here. These are awesome. Awesome, awesome pens. Comes apart, and again, like a lot of their embassy pens, it will not fit on there. But if you have this in your hand, and somebody has this and they're using it, they've got to give this back before you can put your lid on. So, I love it. It does come apart. Obviously, I think about 3 pieces. Here's your bottom piece. And pull your ink out. It does have a little O-ring here. Let's see. There we go, a little O-ring here. That kind of locks it in there so it doesn't bounce around. It just gives it a nice tight little seal. Again, in my personal opinion, I think this is the absolute star of the show. I use this pen, and it, let me show you, it does come with a Schmidt Easy Flow S9000 blue or black. This one happens to be the black, but it does come with a Schmidt Easy Flow 9000S ink for your pen. That's about it, guys. I just wanted to show you and tell you, if you're not familiar with Ultem, I wanted to kind of get it out there and familiarize with what it is, kind of in a nutshell. Pardon me. Let you know that CountyComm does sell Ultem. As you can see, it is all right here. They sell a ton of it. One thing that I do not have that they currently are selling right now is they have a mechanical pencil draft pen. If everybody's been asking for it, well, guess what? They've got it. That's going to about wrap it up, guys. If you can go back, watch some of my other videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so far. Watch some of my other videos, kill some time. You might find something useful, might find something informative. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, take care, be safe. Bye-bye.